How to change your age on YouTube using your iPhone. Since your YouTube age is based on your Google account, you'll need to update your birthday there. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to update. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap Setting from the top right corner. Next, tap Switch or Manage Your Account. Again, tap Manage Your Account and select Personal Info. On Personal Info section, tap Birthday. If prompted, verify your identity by entering your Google account password or using Face ID. Now, update your birth date with the correct information. Then tap Save.
If a confirmation message appears, tap Confirm to apply the changes. Once the update is complete, your new birthday will be linked to your YouTube account. Keep in mind that it may take a little while for the changes to appear across all Google services. That's it. You've successfully changed your age on YouTube using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy iPhone and YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.